In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use HubSpot products to optimize your business processes and enhance productivity. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your current setup, we'll cover everything from account activation to integrating products with deals. Let's dive right in. Firstly, setting up your HubSpot account is the foundational step to ensure everything runs smoothly. Begin by creating your HubSpot account. Remember, a strong password coupled with two-factor authentication is vital for securing your account, as it adds an extra layer of protection. Once your account is secure, it's time to get your team on board. Invite your team members and make sure to configure user roles and permissions appropriately. This ensures everyone has the right access and controls essential information effectively. Next, customize your settings to fit your business needs. Default settings like currency preference, date format, and notification settings can be tailored according to your organizational requirements. This customization can save a lot of time and prevent unnecessary confusion down the road. You'll also want to connect necessary tools such as your email, calendar, and phone systems. Integrating Gmail, Outlook, or similar email clients with HubSpot not only streamlines communication, but also aids in efficient task management. Once your account and basic settings are established, turn your attention to creating and managing your product library. Accessing your product library is straightforward. Just navigate to the settings icon, then go to Objects and select Products. From here, you can begin populating your library. Click on Create Product and fill in essential details like the product name, SKU, a brief description, product type, and pricing information. Organizing your products into folders aids in efficient management, and finding products when needed is simpler. If you have a large inventory, consider importing products using a CSV or Excel file for a quicker setup. Now, let's discuss integrating your product library with deals. When you are setting up or modifying a deal, you can add products directly from your library as line items. This capability ensures that you're keeping track of your sales efficiently, as HubSpot will automatically calculate deal values based on the products and quantities involved. What's more, you can customize line items within a particular deal without altering the information in your product library. This flexibility allows you to adapt to specific customer needs while maintaining consistency in your database. Finally, let's leverage other HubSpot tools to maximize your sales potential. Using HubSpot's built-in quote tool, you can generate and send quotes to customers complete with pre-filled product information. If HubSpot Payments is part of your setup, creating payment links for your products simplifies transactions by sending these links directly to customers. To round off your HubSpot setup, take advantage of its robust reporting features. Tracking sales performance, evaluating product popularity, and analyzing other key metrics becomes seamless, allowing you to make informed business decisions. By following these steps, you'll set a strong foundation in HubSpot that will greatly enhance your sales tracking and overall process efficiency. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy HubSpotting.